Okay, thank you, DC.
Okay guys, what is JMRC?
What is JMRC daw?
Good manners and right conduct.
It's a subject of in elementary and middle school. The Philippines that focuses on values, education, ethics, and character building. Good manners, okay, about this is being polite, respectful, and courteous. Example, pag-istorya ka ng po, ang logo. Right conduct, about doing what right, moral, and ethical. Example, honesty, kindness, responsibility. Kinsa may mga dalawang example.
B3.
B.
There's B.
Kinsa ba?
What else?
Tama rin.
B ano?
So that's all. Dapat nyo na siya i-follow sa atong deliveries.
Okay, thank you, Tristan.
I learned from discuss about the proper hygiene. So, anyone on this proper hygiene?
Kaya dapat ka ng tigil.
Ang proper hygiene refers to a state of daily habits and practices performed to maintain cleanliness, promote health, and prevent the spread of disease and infections. It involves caring for your body, grooming, and managing your environment to remove dirt and germs. So, example ni kay personal hygiene. Ang personal hygiene kay maligo mo kadadlaw, parang tingin kaya. Dapat magan ka ng para ma-remove itong mga bacteria sa mga dirt.
Okay, good afternoon, students. Okay, so, any idea what is our topic today? Sex education. Okay, sige. So, dili sa tauna sa mga changes sa boy. Sa man. Sa man mga changes, gani, common changes. Oh, voice. Other. Isa pa. Pubic hair. Mga pimples. And also, muscles. Height. Okay. So, those are the common changes sa boys. And how about sa girls? Menstruation. Breast development. Pimples. Height. Body shape. Pubic hair. Okay, so I have a question. Sa kaning mga changes sa boy o sa girls, namati na ba ninyo? No? Nanamo na sa mga changes? So, kung wala mo na yung mga changes, basta hindi mo tao. Unsaman mo? Alien. Okay, so, mo na yung mga common changes, ha? Okay, so, pwede ba ma-pregnant ang babae if wala siyang itugo? Pwede, dili. So, students, be careful sa ito ang mga decision. Ha? So, dili ta magdali-dali. Sapot? Okay. So, that's all. Thank you. Mahilig ka sa inyo daw. Ano eh? Mahilig ka daan dito eh.